Ever run into a roadblock in Acumatica when you're trying to set up those automatic notifications?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Like you need an alert,
Uh-huh.
but it's based on some complex data,
Mm.
like maybe a report that's all grouped and summarized.
Yeah, that can be tricky.
Exactly. And that's what we're diving into today.
Okay.
We've got Dipak Milkamp with us. He's a software engineer over at Tiana Solutions,
Right.
and he's helped tons of businesses figure out Acumatica.
I have, yeah.
So Deepak, I hear you've got like a secret weapon for solving this notification problem.
Well, not really a secret weapon, more like a clever workaround.
Okay, I like it. Lay it on us.
So it's all about how Acumatica's reporting engine works with its notification system. Sometimes they don't play nice together.
Right, they each have their own rules.
Exactly. So let's say you've built a generic inquiry, a GI,
Mm-hmm.
that groups invoices by customer and tells you the total they owe.
Okay, makes sense.
You want a notification when that total hits a certain limit.
Right, so you can stay on top of things.
Yeah, but Acumatica won't let you just use that grouped GI in a notification.
Oh, so frustrating. We could like build a whole separate system or something.
Thankfully, no. There's a much simpler way.
Okay, I'm all ears.
You essentially just temporarily disable the grouping in your GI before you add it to the notification setup.
Wait, so we're kind of like tricking Acumatica.
In a way, yeah. You're just temporarily changing how the GI looks to the notification system.
So after you set up the notification, you can turn the grouping back on.
Exactly. You go back into the GI settings and re-enable the grouping. Your report's back to normal, but now you've got the notification you need.
So it's like flipping the switch on and off.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's brilliant.
Uh,
But I'm a hands-on learner. Can you walk me through a real-world example?
Sure. Let's say you're running a distribution business.
Okay.
You want to keep a close eye on customer balances.
Super important.
Right. So you build a GI listing, all pending invoices. It groups them by customer and calculates how much each one owes.
And then we hit that roadblock because of the grouping.
Exactly. So we go into the GI, find those grouping settings, and just turn them off for a bit.
So now it's like a simple list of all invoices.
Yep. No more grouping.
Uh-huh. Sneaky.
And now that it looks like a standard list to Acumatica, we can add it to our notifications.
Ramen.
Then we go back to our GI and turn the grouping back on.
We get our grouped report back, and we have the notification set up. We get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. It's a simple workaround, but it really shows how powerful it can be to understand how Acumatica works.
This is why I love these deep dives. We always uncover these hidden gems.
I know, right?
Things that can really make a difference for businesses.
Absolutely. It's all about finding those clever solutions.
Yeah.
And it's not just about the technical side either.
Yeah.
It's about making smarter, faster decisions.
Yeah, like imagine getting an instant notification if a customer goes over their credit limit
Exactly. You can handle it right away.
before it becomes a bigger problem.
Right. Instead of spending hours running reports and digging through data, you get that information automatically.
And you can focus on actually taking action.
Exactly. It's all about being proactive.
It's like having a custom early warning system for your business.
I like that, a personalized early warning system. And the best part is you don't need any fancy coding or integrations. This is all built into Acumatica.
Just knowing how to use it.
Exactly. It shows how powerful Acumatica can be when you think outside the box a little.
Deepak, this is awesome. I bet you found a ton of these little gems working with Tiana Solutions.
Oh, yeah. We've helped clients in all sorts of industries streamline their processes, automate tasks, get those real-time insights, distribution, manufacturing, construction, e-commerce, you name it.
So for our listeners out there who might be hitting a wall with Acumatica, what would you tell them?
Don't give up. Acumatica is super versatile. Find some experts who can help you unlock its potential.
People who've been there, done that?
Exactly. We've seen it time and time again. Even the toughest problems often have simple, elegant solutions.
Sounds like Tiana Solutions has a real knack for that, finding the right way to use Acumatica.
It's all about understanding the system and being creative. You don't always need some big, complicated solution.
Right. Sometimes it's just looking at things from a different angle.
Exactly.
And sometimes you need someone to show you that different angle.
That's where we come in.
So for our listeners who are maybe struggling with their Acumatica implementation or just want to make sure they're getting the most out of it, how can they reach out to Tiana Solutions?
Easiest way is to just visit our website or give us a call at 678-910-2774.
Perfect. And tell them the deep dive sent you. Maybe they'll give you a discount.
Maybe.
But seriously, Deepak, thanks so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure. I always love talking about Acumatica.
And to our listeners, we hope this deep dive has given you some new ideas for using Acumatica in your own businesses. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what you can do. Until next time, Keep diving deep.